हेलो। आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार। और आपको मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है? आप सबको मेरा नमस्कार एंड वेलकम टू माय सेशन। बहुत अच्छा लगा आप लोग मेरे सेशन में आए हैं। तो आज का जो सेशन है एक इंट्रोडक्टरी सेक्शन है कि हम लोग कम से कम एक दूसरे को जानेंगे, मिलेंगे और आपको पता लगेगा कि एक्चुअली मैं क्या करती हूँ। आई एम अ लाइफ कोच और पामिस्ट्री मेरा पैशन है। तो पामिस्ट्री इज एन एंडलेस लर्निंग मेरे लिए। मैं अभी तक पामिस्ट्री पढ़ रही हूँ, सीख रही हूँ और मैं पामिस्ट्री में आगे अपना नॉलेज को स्प्रेड कर रही हूँ। तो आज का सेशन मैंने इसलिए रखा कि आप लोग भी मेरे साथ इंटरेक्ट करें और जब आप मेरे साथ इंटरेक्ट करेंगे आप लोग की कोई क्वेरीज होंगी, आपके कोई डाउट्स होंगे, तो आज आप मेरे से वो सब पूछ सकते हैं। आप अपने क्वेश्चंस लाइव मेरे सामने रख सकते हैं। कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स के सॉल्यूशंस आपको मिल सकते हैं। तो ये प्रॉपर लाइव सेशन होगा जिसमें जिसको भी कुछ भी पूछना हो आप अपने कोई क्वेरीज मेरे को बता सकते हैं। Sorry, my French, I don't know French. I can't speak in French. English, Hindi will work. I don't know French language. I'm sorry. The session is only in English and Hindi. जिसको हिंदी आती है उनके लिए हिंदी और जो इंग्लिश में करना चाहते हैं तो इंग्लिश। You can ask me any question in English or Hindi. फ्रेंच नहीं चलेगा। फ्रेंच will not work. I can see people joining and it's a pleasure for me. Thank you very much for joining my session. Those who have got their questions can ask me anything. आप लोग को कुछ भी पूछना हो आप लोग मेरे से पूछ सकते हैं। No, I'm sorry, स्पेनिश नहीं चलेगा। I think you all from international platforms, but Spanish will not work. English or Hindi. Have you ever thought what is palmistry? Palmistry is a very helpful guide to us. It is the roadway, the road path, the platform that we create in our life from the birth till death. ये हमें इतना कुछ सिखाता है जिंदगी में कि हमें सारे डायरेक्शंस देता रहता है palmistry के थ्रू। palmistry में हम लोग के पूरे hands रीड किए जाते हैं। our hands are read in the subject palmistry and in these subjects we are able to find the solution of the problems of the person. Apart from that we can give guidance. तो आप लोग को कोई भी गाइडेंस चाहिए हो, if you want any type of guidance you can take from me. I can see your palm like this and tell you your answers. But I'm sorry, I don't know Spanish language or other languages. I want it in English or Hindi. How to rob? I'm sorry, I don't understand this language. Anybody else? Any queries? Our thumb helps us out to know that this is your personality, this is your knowledge, this is your hard work, this is your society name fame, and this is your analytic power. When all these combine together, they give you a lot of knowledge, and then from that knowledge, you use your left and right brains, and then you're able to do everything in life. So sorry, sir, I can't teach you robbery. I'm sorry. My subject does not allow me to go against my ethics. No, sir. No. No robbery. Mystery will not help you in this. In fact, if you try to do robbery, you may be caught by the police. So no robbery. Any other queries? Any other person? Somebody who wants to ask something else can join me. I can teach you many things. You can know about yourself. See, this is your hand. This is your thumb. I told you this is your personality, this is your knowledge, this is your hard work, this is the impression you make in the society, and this is your analytic power. And from over here, all the 9 planets are sitting over here. Here comes Mercury, here comes Sun, here comes Saturn, here comes Jupiter. Jupiter is your ambition. It tells you that work hard so that you may achieve results. And then this tells you that when you achieve results, आपको नेम फेम मिलेगा. नेम फेम कैसे मिलेगा जब आप मेहनत से पैसा कमाएंगे. This is your working ability. Then how to work, and then how much to work, and then how to fulfill that work. And then here is your emotional balancing. अपने आप को इमोशनली बैलेंस कैसे कर लेते हैं. And then this is your luxuries and comforts. And this is the society area. When this is all balanced, you are a very successful person in this world. But at times, this can change also. This gets disturbed. But how can you create a better one? How can you improve yourself again? This depends on you. You have to work very hard for that. So you'll get a translator, sir, but I won't help you in robbery. I'm sorry. Anybody else who has got another question? Do never think of wrong things. Or doing a robbery or creating a terrorist is equal, and both of them get destructed. So don't think of wrong things. Think of good things. Think positive. Think healthy. This is the area where a spiritual symbol is made, which is called a fish. And that spiritual symbol teaches you how to reach a good level of spirituality in life. That symbol, the fish, teaches you that see, it is in the water, but still it is helping you so much. Any queries, friends, please ask me. Any other queries? Don't get disturbed. Don't be frustrated with life. Think of good things, not of negative things. When you're going to think of negative things, just check your fingers. Are these areas puffed up? ये जितने फूले हुए होंगे उतने ही आपके मन में नेगेटिविटी भरी होगी. आपको किसी ना किसी से नफरत होगी, आपको किसी की बातें बुरी लग रही होंगी. जब आपको किसी की बातें बुरी लगेंगी तो आप कुछ गलत सोचोगे. तो आपको इसके ये इन सबको चेक करना है। ये जितना आपके अंदर भरा हुआ है इसको आपको रिलीज करना है। इसको आपको जब रिलीज करना है तो ये आपके लिए हेल्पफुल हो जाएगा। इसको आप मन को हल्का करना है आपको। आप मन को हल्का कैसे कर सकते हैं? आप जिम जाके मन को हल्का कर सकते हैं। आप एक्सरसाइज करके मन को हल्का कर सकते हैं। आप वॉक करके कर सकते हैं। आप मेडिटेशन करके अपने आप को हल्का कर सकते हैं। और जब ये एरियाज बैलेंस हो जाते हैं, sir, I'm not fooling innocent people. You can ask healthy questions. You can show me your palm, and then I can tell you answers. I'm not here to fool people. Sorry, but I can't give you an answer of robbery. Did I tell you anything wrong? No, na. So you can ask any good thing. Then you can make out whether I'm fooling people or not. I didn't tell you to do something wrong. I'm in fact guiding you that how can you make yourself happy and healthy. You need to support yourself. You need to be a strong person, not a weak person. Life should be beautiful. So when you have got healthy hands, those healthy hands can help you. When they can help you can do constructive things. For example, if you want to check the profession of a person and you are seeing the fingers, if they are short fingers, you can show me your hand like this. I will tell about your hand also. I didn't say I'm going to read my hand only, sir. I'm just giving an example. You can show me your hand. When you show me like this, your hand, just show me on the screen. I will tell you whatever your question is. Now you have got a translator, so there's no problem. I'm reading what you're writing. So you can do one thing. You can just show me your hand and tell me your age, and then you can ask your queries. I can help you. I'm not here to help myself. I know about myself. I'm sitting here only to help you. Show me your hand. I can't tell other people's life by showing my hand. You will have to show me your hand. आप अपना हाथ दिखाइए, मैं आपको गाइड करूंगी. I can read your message that don't fool people by reading your own hand and telling their life. No, I'm not doing that. I'm just giving an example. When I'm giving an example, I'm just trying to guide you. I didn't charge anything, sir, from you, isn't it? So I'm here just to guide with you without any charge, without charging you anything from you. I'm just trying to show you that show me your hand so that I can help you and give you a solution. Do you want a solution? You can show me your hand like this, and then I will read your lines, and then I will tell you, I'll give you guidance. Don't misunderstand. No, you're just trying, you're not able to understand what I'm doing here. I'm not charging anything from you, it's free. Any other queries? Life is very beautiful. We should always see the good things that we are getting in life, not the bad things. God has given us everything, but sometimes problems come. When those problems come, we have to find a solution to that problem. And every person faces different problems. So, from different areas of the hand of that person, we can just see how we can find a solution. So, I will help you over there. Do you need any help? I'm waiting if somebody wants to join, ask me any questions. No, sir, it is not a superstition. It has been proved by science that how why do you pick up something and eat? Why do you pick up something and do? Why do you write with the hand? Why do you play with the hand? Why do you work with the hand? Your brain receives a message. It gives a message to the hand that do this thing. Now eat something or drink or play. So that is not a superstition. Your left brain and your right brain, both the brains are being used, and they're giving messages to the hand. On top of that, all the nine planets are here. And then you can read them. And then you can find out the science behind this. This is not a superstition. If you don't believe, it's your choice. Otherwise, it is not a superstition. This is your hand, right? Now you have got a mental brain, you have got an emotional brain. Fine. Now your mental brain is this brain, this line. This thing that gives you that this is the area from where you do all the practical work. Science says planets are on your hand, right? I agree. See, this is your first planet. Over here it is Jupiter. Then here it is Saturn. Then over here there is Sun. Over here there is Mercury. Over here there is Mars. And then here again there is Mars. This is Moon and this is Venus. All the planets are placed over here. Jupiter is the most knowledgeable planet. If you remember if you see a person's face also, it starts from here and then it comes downward. So the if you go to the science and see the Big Bang theory happened, it happened in the 1930s when we were not even born. At that time, the Big Bang theory took place, and Jupiter was the real science behind it. But what was the action? The action was the karmas of the Devtas and the Rakshas, the enemies and the friends. And they all were working over here. They were doing their work over here, the karmas over here. And here came the Saturn. Saturn is the planet of justice. The more you work hard, the more the justice you get. So this is the area of justice. The more you will put in your efforts, the more results you will get. And then this is the area of sun, name and fame, status, growth. So, you are famous, being famous in the society. And why? Why do you become famous? How are you able to do your ambition? By your performance in your profession. And which planet gives us profession? Mercury. Why? Mercury is placed here and Mercury gives you analytic power. It gives you the qualities of studying. Why do you know that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4? Why? Because your brain is giving you that message. That planet is telling you to do this analysis. You are able to multiply, you are able to divide, you are able to subtract, you are able to add. Then over here, our subconscious mind works. What is going on inside our mind? Nobody knows. And this is the action mind in which you are able to do your work. So here, when you start analyzing things and then you plan how to work on it, this is Mars. Mars has been given two areas. This is the area where you have to work. And then here, Mars says that go and do the action. How to do the action and then go and do the action. And these are your karmas, your hard work, your fate line. The more karmas you will do, the more your fate line will support you. Then after that, your emotional zone. Are you very emotional or are you practical? The more emotional you are, the more creative you will be. Scientists, doctors, engineers, they all come from the practical zone. Whereas if you see fashion designers, if you see beauticians, if you see creative people, if you see painters, if you see music, singing, it all comes from the creative brain. So this is the creative brain, this is the practical brain. And here are your luxuries, Venus, the comfort zone you get in life. All the planets are doing their work and giving you something or the other. Here comes Pluto. If this is very puffed up, it means Pluto is playing a great role in your life. And Pluto is a transformation brought by, tell me, you don't know, isn't it? Brought by destruction. That's why whenever a policeman destructs something, he does it to change something, to bring a transformation. So this destruction goes into transformation. This is Mars. Mars is energy. You must have seen the hottest planet in this universe is Mars. So the stronger your Mars, the stronger your energy. The more you are a sportsman person, the more you are strong in your physical energy, the more you are able to do work, the more you are able to choose such professions which are hardworking. So you can connect the planets with your real life. That's why science is placed in our hand. Anything else? If I'm wrong, now tell me, did I do anything to just to cheat you? No. I hope you are listening to me, sir. I tried to prove your answer. And you can give me a feedback also. It will be a pleasure. And I'll be thankful to you for asking this question. I'm waiting for your answer, sir. Anything else? Anybody else? The session will be over by 6:30. So you can ask me anything else if you want. Any other queries? So you should give me a feedback. I'll tell you one more thing. Your thumb over here, this is your willpower, this is your logic, and this is your energy level. The cleaner your logics and the stronger your planets, the more you are a practical person. All these things tell you that yes, it is true that planets are placed on our hand. Logics come with the first thing that comes is the science. Science brought out the planets. Planets brought out the logics. And if you stop in logics, you'll become a scientist. But if your intuition also starts working with it, it becomes a astrologer, palmist, life coach, anything. Thank you very much, sir, for listening to me. You can give me your feedback. It will be an honor. Whatever you feel, even if it's not good, then also, so that I can learn more and improve myself. I'll be waiting for your answer. No feedback, sir? It was nice talking to you. You asked a very nice question. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much all to all of you. See you again soon. I'll be back once again with my new session. Till then, goodbye. Take care. God bless you. वह देखना कि बंद कैसे होगा स्टॉप कैसे होगा